Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Gig. In today's video, we're going to dive into the most accurate indicator in the Forex trading market. This powerful tool provides a complete view of market conditions, helping you to identify trends, anticipate potential reversals, and find key entries and exit points with precision. It combines multiple elements that gives you insights into the momentum, support and resistance level, and even future price movement. If you are looking to take trading strategy to the next level, stay tuned to discover why this indicator is unmatched in its accuracy and how you can start using it effectively in your trades. The power of the Ichimoku. The most accurate indicator is called the Ichimoku cloud. It stands for as the comprehensive forex indicator due to its ability to provide multiple layers of market information simultaneously. This Japan developed tool combines several technical indicators into one chart, offering traders a complete view of the market condition. Now the indicators consist of 5 key components, which are the Tenkan Sen, the Kinju Shen, the Chiku span, the Senku span, and the Senku span B. The Senku span A and the Senku span B. This is the indicator on the screen, Ichimoku. Each element serves as a specific purpose in analyzing price action, trend direction, and potential support and resistance levels. The Tenkan Sen and the Kinchun Sen line act as dynamic support and resistance level. This line adapt to market condition, providing traders with valuable insight into short-term and medium-term price movement. When this line crosses, dey generate po ten tial trading signals that many traders use to enter or exit the market. As you can see, these are the line here, these two lines at this area. Now the Kumo or cloud formed by the Senku span A and B project future price movement. Dis clouds change colour to indicate the overall trend direction, with yellow typically signifying bullish momentum. The orange colour typically signifies the bullish momentum, and the purple indicates bearish pressure. The cloud thickness also provides information about trend strength. As you can see, this is the cloud. The colour provides information about trend strength. Now the Chinku span plotted 26 period behind the current price reveals market sentiment, while positioning below price indicates bearish sentiment. So when it's above price, it indicates a bullish sentiment. When it's below price, it indicates um bearish sentiment. Now let's see how we can trade with the cloud slash the time frame mastering. We can trade with the cloud, and mastering time frame are crucial aspects of effectively using the Ichimoku indicator. The Kumo or cloud serves as a primary focus for trend identification and po ten tial support and resistance level. As you can see, dey act as support and resistance level both above and below the chart. These are the clouds. When price action moves above the cloud, it signals a bullish trend. As you can see, at this moment when it was above the cloud, signifies bullish trend. Then when it's below the cloud, it signifies bearish trend. The cloud color changes reinforce this signal, with orange typically representing bullish momentum. When you see an orange color, it signifies bullish momentum, as you can see. Den when you see um purple, it signifies a bearish pressure. Traders of ten use the cloud as a dynamic support and resistance zone, looking for price to bounce or break through this line. Now, to maximize the effectiveness of the Ichimoku indicator, focus on time frame ranges from 1 hour to daily time frame. Dis intermediate to long term charts provides more reliable signals and reduce noise of ten found in shorter time frame. The indicator perform exceptionally well on JBP pairs due to it is of Japan origin. So it is always good to use the JPP pairs with dis strategy. For optimal results, analyze multiple time frames simultaneously, cos dis approach allows you to identify the overall trend on the higher time frame while pinpointing precise entries and exit points on lower time frame. Dis signal across different time frame dey provide stronger confirmation for po ten tial trades. Now let's see the advanced application. The Kinji line serves as a medium-term trend identifier. When price consis ten tly remains above or below dis line, when price behave constantly maintains below or above dis line, it confirms the overall trend direction. Traders of ten use the crossover between lines and the Kenjoku as a po ten tial entry or exit signal, the crossover between dem. The Tenkan Sen, being more sensitive to price changes, captures short term momentum. When the Tenkan Sen crosses above the Kinju Sen, it generates a bullish signal, meaning when dis blue line crosses above the red line, it provides a bullish signal. Dis crossovers are respected by many institutional traders and can lead to significant price movement. Advanced traders also pay at ten tion to the relationship between price action and the Chinkwu span. When the Chinkwu span crosses above price, it of ten precise bullish momentum. Conversely, a crossover below price would always signify a bearish pressure. When it cross over below price, it signifies a bearish pressure. Another advanced technique involves using the cloud future projection to anticipate po ten tial support and resistance level. You can use the clouds as po ten tial support levels, or support levels, in dis case support levels at dis area and resistance levels at dis area. By identifying dis areas where the cloud narrows or change direction, trader can prepare for possible price reversal or breakout. So dis cloud determines can act as support and resistance zones in the market where price will definitely respect, and as you can see, these are the cloud areas where price was respecting this area as a resistance level. Price respected all these areas as a resistance level, and price was trading below the cloud, signifying bearish momentum. So you just need to identify these areas and know where the cloud narrows or change direction. When it's narrowing and it changes direction to the downside, know that the market is about to change to the other side and a reversal is about to occur. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out on more trading tips and strategy. Until next time, stay focused and trade wisely.